Hello children, welcome to Vedic Maths Speed Maths online class children. In today's video, we are going to learn about some special multiplication tricks. So let's try to find out some special multiplication tricks children with the help of a small story. So you can observe a boy here. His name is Suku. His name is Suku. He is trying to multiply any number by 11 and he is after a shortcut to do this easily. Means he is trying to find out one shortcut regarding how to multiply any number by 11 in a simple manner. Whether it is a 2-digit number or it is a 3-digit number, how to multiply any number with 11 in easy manner. For one shortcut he was searching. So let's see whether he can find this or not. For that we have to read the complete story. So this Suku has a friend. Her name is Ziku. So this Ziku was enjoying a movie on the theater with her parents. So she went to a movie with her parents. So she is super excited and is keen and is very keen to share the story with her friend Suku back home. After coming home, she want to share the story with the friend Suku. So this Ziku shared what happened at the theater with Suku back home. After coming back, she went to Suku and she was sharing her experience. What she was telling is, we saw a very good movie. It was such a big theater. There were 495 seats. There were 495 seats. The theater was very big and there were 495 seats in the theater. Now Suku, after listening to her words, he told, wow, 495 seats. How did you get that number, Jiku? So what is doubt is whether she went to each and every seat and she counted, or in what way she was able to identify that there were 495 seats. That doubt he got, and same doubt he raised with Jiku. Now Jiku tells how she found that there were 495 seats in the theater. We had 45 rows of 11 seats each. In the theater there were 45 rows. Each row is having 11 seats. So I multiplied 45 and 11. Both I have multiplied and I got the result 495. She told Suku. So wow, how could you do that so easily? So these two, 45 and 11, are bigger numbers. No? How you were able to do this multiplication in very fast manner? Can you teach me also that shortcut? Suku asked Jiku. So now Jiku shows Suku how to multiply 45 and 11 on the board. 45 and 11 on the board. So what technique she has implemented, she used for finding the product of or result of 45 and 11, she explained to Suku on the board. So she told that there are 3 simple steps here. There are 3 simple steps here. So in that step 1, what is the step 1 means? Here we have to multiply 45 and 11. Take the unit digit of 45. In this 45, take the units digit, which is 5. And write 5 as the unit digit of the answer. If you multiply 45 and 11, you will get some result. In that result, take the unit digit in 45, which is 5. In the answer also, in the units place, keep that 5. That is the first step. Means whenever we are multiplying any number with 11, the other number, whatever number we have, in that, in units place, whatever digit we have, in our answer also, in the units place, we have to keep the same digit. That is the first step. Next, step 2. So add 4 and 5. Other than 11, whatever number we have, here 45 we have, add that 2 digits. Add the 2 digits. 4 plus 5. How much? 9. This is the next digit. This is the next digit after the unit digit. After the unit digit, so whatever sum we are getting, that we have to place, or in the middle. We have to place it in the middle. So if you add 4 plus 5, you will get 9. That number 9 will be the middle digit of the answer. Middle digit of the answer. This is the second step. Now third step. In 45 number, the number which is in tens place, here we have 4, or the number which is in the beginning, or the first digit. Out of two digits, the first digit is 4. That 4 should be taken as the first digit of the answer. First digit of the answer. So in this way, we will get 495 as the answer. In this way, we can multiply any number with 11, like that she explained to Suku. So here we have to multiply 45 with 11. What we have to do means, this 5 should be taken in units place, 4 should be taken in hundreds place, or this 5 will become the last digit of the answer, 4 will become the first digit of the answer, and this 4 plus 5, sum 9, will become the middle digit of the answer. In this way, without complete multiplication, without standard multiplication, in very easy manner, we can get the answer. So 45 into 11 equals to 495. 45 into 11 equals to 495. So but here, there is no carrying involved. 4 plus 5, directly we are getting 9. Suppose here, if we have 5 plus 6, here we will get 11. In this case, this method is not right. This method, almost it is right, but one small change we have to do. So without any involvement of carrying, so in simple manner, we can multiply any number with 11. Any number with 11. Okay. So if you, while doing this, suppose if 5 and 6 are there, if you get 11, so the number to be carried to the next number, that we will see in next example. So now, she has given a problem to Suku. She asked Suku to find the answer for 48 into 11. 48 into 11. So Suku tries to multiply 48 by 11, and he got 428 as the answer, but which is incorrect. He told the answer to Jikku, but Jikku replied him that it is wrong. It is incorrect. So why it is incorrect means, if you multiply 48 with 11, out of 2 digits, this second digit 8 will become the last digit of answer. It is okay. This 4 will become the first digit of the answer. It is also okay. But when you add, 4, actually this 4 to be the first digit of answer, here 4 has to come. But as we have 4 and 8 here, if we add 4 and 8, the middle digit will be 12. Out of 12, only 2 we have to consider, 1 we have to carry. That 1 to be added to the first digit 4, so then it will become 5. Like that, if there is any carrying involved, the out of 12, only 2 we have to take as the middle digit, that 1 to be carried to the next number. So in this way, in easy manner, we can multiply any number with 11. So Suku felt very happy and thanked Ziku for the help. So he told, "Thank you, Ziku. That's a cool trick that he told." And Ziku, you are welcome, Suku. Remember, this method is only to multiply numbers by 11. She warned him because Suku may implement this in all cases, but it is not true. Only in the case of 11, while multiplying with 11 only, we have to use this technique. So it's a great shortcut. So next day, Suku went to school and shared the method to everyone in the class. So in the same way, children, so after learning anything, you too have to share the same thing to all your classmates, so that they too will learn some techniques and which will be useful in their more normal activities. Okay, children, that's the end of the story. So through this story, we were able to learn about one shortcut, how to multiply with 11. So not only with the 11, children, we can apply the same concept to any multiple of 11. So by using with this technique, we can multiply any number with 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 or 66, 77, 88, 99, like that. We can apply this technique, or we can extend this technique to any multiple of 11. So let's see the first example, children. 132 into 11. We have to take this 2, which is in units place, as it is in the answer. 2 will come here. So next we have to add two digits. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, which is 5. We will keep the next digit after 2 as 5. This sum to be taken as next digit after 2 or before 2. So not after. Before 2, we have to take 5. Next 2 digits we have to add 3 plus 1. How much? 4. So before 5, we have to keep 4. Before 5, we have to keep 4. Next, here the first digit is 1. This will become the first digit of the answer. Once again, let me explain, children. Here, we have to multiply 132 with 11. We have 3 digits in 132, whereas this 2 will become the last digit. 1 will become the first digit. 1 will become the first digit. For getting the middle numbers, we have to add from the 2. If we add 2 plus 3, we will get 5. We have to keep here. If we add 3 plus 1, we will get 4. We have to keep here. No carrying is involved here. So 1452 is the answer. 1452 is the answer. Like that, we can multiply any number with 11. Next, children. Let's multiply 163 with 22. 163 with 22. But here, 22 means 11 into 2. We can write it as 11 into 2. Means we can use the same method which we used for multiplying with 11. But after that, whatever we are getting, that to be multiplied with 2. So that multiplication with 22 can be completed. Suppose, if we are multiplying with 11, what we will do? Out of 163, this 1 will become the first number, 3 will become the last number, and middle digits, we will add them. But here, 22 means 11 into 2. So that's why, instead of keeping 3, what we have to do means, if we multiply with 11, we will keep 3, but we are multiplying with 22. So this 3 to be multiplied with 2. 3 into 2. How much? 6 will become the units digit. And here 1 into 2. 2 will become the first digit of the answer. Next, 3 plus 6. If we add, we will get 9. 9 2 times 18. only 8 we have to keep here. 1 we have to carry to the next digit. Next, 6 plus 1, how much? 7. 6 plus 1, how much? 7. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 14 plus 1, 15. Again 1 is remaining. That is to be carried to the next number. So 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Like this we have to find the answer. 1 minute children, let me explain once again. Okay children, here. So 163 into 22. So here we have 3 in units place. That is to be multiplied by 2. That is to be multiplied by 2. 3 into 2, 6 we will get. Next, 3 plus 6 how much? 9. 9 into 2 how much? 18. Only 8 we have to take. 1 will be carried to the next digit. So what is the next digit? This sum completed. Next 2 digits we have to add. 1 plus 6 how much? 7. 7 2 times 14. For that 14 1 to be added, we will get 15. Again 1 will be remaining, carried to the next digit. Actually next digit 1 we have to keep, but 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3586 is the answer. Next children, 122 into 33. But 33 means we can write it as 11 into 3. Means while multiplying with 11, whatever process we follow, we have to follow the same process, but the results to be multiplied with 3, so that multiplication with 33 will be completed. So here in units place we have digit 2 here, but that is to be multiplied with 3. 2 3 are 6. This is the units digit in answer. Next, these 2 digits we have to add. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 2 we can keep here. 1 we have to carry. Next, 2 plus 1, 2. This 2 into 3 we have to multiply 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So nothing is there to carry. Next, here 1 is there. 1 into 3, 3. So 3726 is the answer. 3726 is the answer. Next children, 189 into 44 means 44 means 11 into 4. We can write it as 11 into 4. Means while multiplying with 11, whatever result we will get, that is to be multiplied by 4. So here in units place we have 9. 9 4 times 36. 3 we have to carry. 8 plus 9, 17. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 4 times. 17 4 times 68. 68 plus 3, 71. 7 we have to carry. 7 we have to carry. Next, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4. Sorry, 9 into 4, 36. Plus 7. 36 plus 7, 43. 4 we have to carry. Next here 1 is there. 1 into 4, 4. 4 into 4. Sorry, 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. So 4, 3, sorry. 1 minute children. So 4 plus 4, 8. 1 minute children. 4 plus 4, 8. We will get 8 here. So 8316 is the answer. Next children, we have to multiply 213 with 55. But 55 can be written as 11 into 5. So the results to be multiplied with 5, so that we will get the answer. In units place we have 3 here. 3 into 5, 15. 1 we have to carry. Next, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 1 we have to keep here. 2 to be carried. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 1 we have to carry. Next, 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. We have to keep 11 here. So 11,715 is the answer. In this way, children, we can multiply with 11. Not only with 11, we can multiply with any multiple of 11 in an easy manner. So if you remember the trick with 11, same trick you have to apply here, but to be multiplied with 2. So all the values to be multiplied with 2. So you will get answer for multiplication with 22. While multiplying with 33, you have to multiply with 3 also. While multiplying with 44, you have to make use of 4. While multiplying with 55, you have to make use of 5. So like that, with all multiples of 11 in an easy manner, you can multiply any bigger number. Okay, children? So take some numbers by your own and try to multiply with them with 66, 77, 88, 99 like that, and check your answer with the calculator or normal standard multiplication, and try to improve your skills. Try to improve your calculation speed. Okay, children? That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.